Good morning, Web Spiders. Today is Wednesday, May 8th, 2019. Wanted to start with this was left on Miss Kelly's bus. Nope, Mr. Richard's bus today. Bus 145. So this was left on bus 145, Mr. Richard's bus. If no one claims the library book, I will turn it into the library, so at least it'll get turned in for you. And what a nice backpack. I don't know if these go together or they're separate, but both things were left on bus 145, Mr. Richard's bus this morning. How are you? No birthdays in the web. In fact, we don't have a birthday in the web until May 11th, and today's May 8th. So tomorrow's the 9th, then the 10th. So until Saturday, there's not a birthday in the web. So we won't have any birthdays to announce until then. So let's talk about dependability for just a second. And I want you to think about what would happen if adults in the web were not dependable. If adults were not dependable. The lights wouldn't be on when you got here in the morning. There wouldn't be anybody to let you in the door. Mrs. Williams would forget to fix all the lunches. Your bus driver wouldn't pick you up. Let's see what else. Our trash wouldn't be emptied. Our bathrooms would be dirty. So if you wouldn't have anything to learn because teachers wouldn't prepare anything to teach you. What? There might not even be an adult in your classroom if they weren't dependable. What? See, we count on people to be dependable. We count on people to do their jobs even if something unexpected happens. And others need to count on us in the same way. Dependability is so important because we're counting on you to do what we expect you to do. Without asking, without reminding, you just do it. When you're dependable, you just do what you're supposed to do, right? So what if you have a classroom job? Maybe it's your job to clean the desktops every day at the end of the day. I know when I was a third grade teacher, that was one of my classroom jobs. Well, if you're not cleaning the desktops, maybe people are sick in your classroom and they're spreading germs. Ew. Maybe your classroom job is to pick up, loose pieces of trash off the floor at the end of the day. Oh my gosh, if you don't do that, and we're short a custodian, our building could get dirty really quickly, couldn't it? What if Mrs. Hossman just decided not to come to school anymore? What would you do if you didn't feel good? Oh my goodness. We have a lot of people in the web that you depend on to take care of you and to do the right things, right? So let's count on you too, Web Spiders, to be dependable. Class goes so much better for teachers and students if kids are dependable because we don't have to stop instruction to correct you for talking. We don't have to stop instruction because a student's throwing a fit. We don't have to stop instruction because you just don't feel like doing your work. Be dependable. Okay, take a look at this clock. Look long and hard. I want you to try to figure out what the time says before I tell you. I'm going to let it show it to my visitors, my helpers. Now, the shorthand, the little hand, what does it point to? The hour or the minute? What does it point to? The hour or the minute, though? The little hand, the shorthand. The hour. Okay. So the big hand points to the minute. So you know to look at the shorthand first to see what hour it is. And then you look at the big hand to see what the minute is. So now I think we can figure it out. So the big hand is pointing pretty close to the small hand's pointing pretty close to the 9. See the little hand there? The hour hand? So it's 9 something. 9 something, isn't it? Let's count. 5, 10, oops, can't go to 15. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Hopefully you got 9:13 when you looked at that clock, or 13 minutes after 9, because that's what that clock says. If you saw it in digital form, it would say 9:13. All right. I keep forgetting to do third grade from Poem in My Pocket. I am so sorry. I have 4 books, so I can have 4 winners for third grade Poem in My Pocket. And every day it's sitting here on my table, and every day I forget to draw. So third grade, I'm sorry. Congratulations to Bailey. Mr. Bailey Gibson. Congratulations to Bella. Not sure which Bella. We have more than one in third grade. Congratulations to Madison. Gotta be Madison Arnold in third grade. And congratulations to, gotta pick one down toward the bottom. Let's see. Congratulations to Levi. And this is the Levi. It looks like maybe Mrs. Bingham's class. Mrs. Bingham was the first one to sign that. So those are our 4 winners from 3rd grade. And I apologize for the delay. That was not very dependable. I was not being very dependable by not drawing that on a daily basis. At this time, if you'll stand and push your chair in, let's have a moment of silence. Okay, guests, could you please start right here and introduce yourself and tell us what class you're from?
I'm from Mrs. Garrell's class. I'm Haley from Mrs. Garrell's class. I'm Paisley from Mrs. Garrell's class. I'm Jacob from Mrs. Garrell's class. I'm Avery from Mrs. Garrell's class.
Paisley, would you hold the flag for us? And at this time, let's go ahead and do our pledge. Here we go.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it
Wrong hands.
one nation
Under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys have any other announcements that we need to make today? No? 4th grade still I-STEP testing. Don't forget, it is our Wednesday special schedule. So it's a little bit different than our other days. Specials are just a little bit shorter on Wednesdays because we have early release. Okay, well, let's do our creed and have a webtastic Wednesday. Here we go. I am a member of the Web family. I take pride in myself and my school. I promise to do these things every day. I will only say positive things about myself and others. I will respect and trust others. I will insist on giving my personal best. I will discuss and listen actively. I will expect and give truth and honesty. I am glad to do my part to make Web School a place where everybody is somebody special. Make it a great day in the Web, Spiders. Make it webtastic. And as always, make sure you are
doing it right.
Have a great day, Spiders.